Top 5 Zodiac Signs most likely to get married in 2025. Wedding bells, a couple holding hands, a romantic sunset. Are you ready to say, "I do" in 2025? If your zodiac sign is on this list, wedding bells might be ringing sooner than you think. Let's dive into the top 5 zodiac signs most likely to get married in 2025. Cancer, a cozy candlelight dinner. A Cancer sign glowing on the screen. Cancers, you've been waiting for your fairy tale ending, and guess what? 2025 is your year for love. With Jupiter blessing your marriage sector, you might finally take that leap and walk down the aisle. Whether it's a childhood sweetheart or a new romance, expect deep emotional connections and a love story straight out of a movie. A Cancer holding a ring box, about to propose. Astrology insight. With Saturn stabilizing relationships, 2025 is the year Cancer signs move from dating to lifelong commitment. Virgo, a Virgo, organizing wedding plans, checking off a checklist. Virgos, your patience in love is finally paying off. 2025 brings you clarity in relationships, and your practical approach to love will lead you to the one. If you've been in a long-term relationship, expect wedding bells soon. Get ready to plan the most organized and dreamy wedding ever. A Virgo, adjusting a wedding dress, smiling at their partner. Astrology insight. With Jupiter influencing your house of commitment, 2025 will be filled with engagements and weddings for Virgos. Libra, a Libra, holding flowers, planning a surprise proposal. Libras, you love love, and 2025 is your time to shine. With Venus boosting your charm and romance, your relationship will take a serious turn. Whether you're in a long-term commitment or meeting someone new, marriage is on the horizon. Expect dreamy proposals and fairy tale weddings. A Libra couple dancing under fairy lights, looking deeply into each other's eyes. Astrology insight. Venus, your ruling planet, makes 2025 the perfect year for love, marriage, and long-term commitment. Capricorn. A Capricorn signing a marriage certificate, smiling confidently. Capricorns, you don't rush into love, but when you commit, it's for life. 2025 is bringing stability and major relationship milestones your way. If you've been waiting for the right moment, this is it. Expect deep, meaningful connections that lead straight to marriage. A Capricorn couple exchanging rings in an intimate ceremony. Astrology insight. With Saturn and Jupiter aligning in your favor, long-term relationships will turn into beautiful marriages in 2025. Pisces, a Pisces, daydreaming about their perfect wedding. Pisces, you are the ultimate romantic, and 2025 is your year for love and commitment. With Neptune and Jupiter guiding your destiny, expect magical love stories, dreamy proposals, and soulmate connections. Your intuition will lead you to the altar with the perfect partner. A Pisces walking down the aisle, teary-eyed, full of joy. Astrology insight. The cosmic energy in 2025 is aligning perfectly for Pisces to say yes to lifelong love. All 5 zodiac signs appearing on screen with a golden glow. So, is your zodiac sign on the list? Tag a friend who needs to hear this. And if wedding bells are ringing for you in 2025, hit that like and subscribe for more astrology updates.